Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Windows forget a Wi-Fi or wireless connection, or SSID as they're also commonly known. So this might come in handy. Let's say you change the password on your wireless router and you want to have your computer reconnect with that new password. Sometimes when you go and disconnect and reconnect, instead of asking you to type in the password, it will just say it can't connect. Or another situation might be, let's say you have a laptop and you travel a lot and you connect to a lot of wireless connections and you want to kind of clear out the listing of SSIDs that you've connected to in the past because you're never going to connect to them again. So anyways, it's pretty simple to do. So what you want to do is go down to your wireless thing here, and this will show you your current connections and then also available ones. And so what you want to do is go to Network and Internet Settings. And then this will show you, your network status, what you're connected to. You can see the properties and data usage and so on, and also view available networks and things like that. So you want to go to this Wi-Fi section here and then manage known networks, and this will show you all your saved networks. I only have a couple here, so let's say this P5, I don't need to connect to that anymore, so I'm going to click on forget. And then also, before we do this one, let's say you disconnect from this one and then connect again. It just connects, but if we change the password, it would say connection error. So what we're gonna do to solve that is we're gonna click on forget on this one, and now you see it loses the wireless connection. So if we go back here, click on this again, click on connect. Now, since it's technically a new connection, even though it's not really a new connection, but it's new to Windows because it forgot it, the previous version of it, and we could put in our password and then say yes to this prompt here. And now we're connected again. So once again, pretty simple. Go to your network connections, network and internet settings, Wi-Fi section, manage known networks, and then you could delete the ones you have here by clicking on them and forget. And then you could also forget your main one here if you want to reset that as well. And you could also, once again, go to the properties and see information about it and that kind of stuff. So pretty simple. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.